Hi, I'm Gareth Williams from The Boxing Shop. Today I'm going to teach you 3 basic ways on how to counter-attack the power hand. In my previous video on how to defend the straight power hand, my first defensive action was the forearm block. The forearm block of the power hand. Today I'm going to counter-attack that with my own straight power hand. So the forearm block and the long straight power hand. You'll notice I slightly adjust my feet, coming forward. My back foot must slightly come forward and take in a little step. Because the power hand is a long punch, I have to use all my reach to be able to counter-attack it. Block the oncoming power hand, throw my own power hand. I use all my extension through my heel, my knee, my hip and my shoulder to get all the length needed to make sure I score with my power hand. My second way today of counter-attacking the straight power hand is I'm going to build on from the slip. I slip outside my punch, the opponent's punch, and I'm going to come back with a long lead hand hook. Okay? The long punches come, I'll step outside. There's no point in me throwing a hook this close. I see a lot of beginners practicing hooks in here. But really when I practice my hooking close, my opponent has to be this tight for me. If they're throwing a long straight power hand, I really need length in my hook. So it's body adjustment, adjusting my feet and use the length in my hook. So I slip outside the power hand. I'm gradually also going to bring my back foot forward so I can get a bit closer to land my hook.
What are you doing here? You're jealous. You must be doing something wrong. How can you be so ungrateful? How do you talk about me behind my back? Jealous. Because I'm afraid of the
My third way of using basic skills and basic defensive techniques to counterattack the power hand is going to be an add-on from my first video on how to defend the power hand. Is going to use the step back, and I'll be coming back with my own straight power hand. So, similar to blocking action, my hand will come up, but I'll step back. I'll land with my heel up and on the ball of my foot. From there, I'll slightly adjust my foot forward again, bouncing off my toe and rotating all my body so I can use the full length. It's the very same movement to how I defended and counter-attacked the jab, but it's just that the power hand is coming a little bit closer. So I'll keep my lead hand raised just so I don't get hit by that.
How do you talk about me behind my back? Jealous. Because I'm afraid of the dark.
Well, you know I love you, don't you? Who are you?
No, weak.
No.
Jealous. What are you doing here?
Thanks for watching my 3 basic ways on how to counter-attack the power hand. Make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel, follow us on Facebook, Instagram and Twitter, and we'll keep bringing you more content to improve your boxing basics.